So, I'm currently on my hands and knees because apparently there's a sensor. We're trying to avoid a sensor. Oh my gosh. This vlog might be too crazy to put on YouTube. Don't walk past this.
What is up, people on the YouTube? Thank you for pressing on the channel. Today, me and the three boys are going to West Virginia. We're going to New River Gorge Bridge. We're gonna be doing some crazy stuff. But yeah, we're gonna, we just started the drive. We're somewhere in Virginia. I hope you like the video and watch to the end because it's gonna be a crazy one. All right, peace, roll intro, you know the deal. We got the goods. You already know this man's. You've seen him before. This is Michael.
Hi.
This is Jonathan.
Dude, how's it going, guys? You know, yeah, dude, I mean, we're just going to freaking West Virginia. Things are about to go crazy. We're gonna hopefully not go to jail tomorrow night. It's good to be here.
This is Manus.
You know what's up.
I don't think you guys have seen him before.
I haven't been in
He's
any
been in a couple videos, but none of the vlogs.
We're about to kill it here. Hopefully we're not gonna fall off and get some cool shots.
That's the two things that we don't want to happen. No jail and no falling off.
We're about to take another pit stop. We're going to a Walmart, but make sure during COVID-19 to wear your mask.
If you don't wear your mask, you're a I'm gonna bleep, bleep, bleep. The CDC, there's like their official statement, there's no medical condition or any reason that you cannot wear it. So please don't be and just wear your mask. Wear your masks. Exactly like this.
See, this is actually how it's done. It's so you can't see the.
Does this count as a mask?
It's so you can't see the virus.
A lot of hot dogs, guys.
We have made it here. It's somewhere around here, I think. The main positive, we know it's possible. I think we're gonna come back in the AM, but you already know I'm taking the drone up. Little cinematic sequence going now.
That's how we do it. Ooh, Jinx, you owe me a soda.
That's what we were on. That is what we were on.
This is so sick.
So that is the max ISO. It looks so grainy and just terrible and bleh. But look, you can see that's the bridge. So we're like right under the bridge. Okay, we're pretty secluded here. We drove all the way down the road and then crossed some train tracks. So I think it's just gonna be us for the night. We're gonna get a fire going, get some hot dogs cooking, and get our dinner. All right, go, go, go.
All right. Hello, all you beautiful people. So I heard you want to make hot dogs. So step one, you got to find a nice stick. It can't be too thin, can't be too thick. It's got to fit the hot dog on it. You want it to be kind of long so you don't burn your hand in the fire. This one has a handle, so it's perfect. It's not too flimsy, so it stays upright. And then you want to stick the, so you want to stick the hot dog in the stick long ways.
What are y'all hot dogs
but
doing,
if you put it
bro? They're a
short
little
ways,
close.
then, did you like scratch it, your hot dog?
Yeah, so it cooks faster.
Oh, that's kind of smart. But anyways, so you want to stick it in this way, not the other way, because then it'll get floppy and fall off. And
All right,
then if
all
you
right.
want some cheese,
Oh, some cheese.
yeah.
Now that's a hot dog.
Hello, beautiful people. I don't have a ton of battery and I need to preserve it because we are going on the bridge tomorrow morning. The OG subscribers know the setup. Similar to the first vlog where we enoed on the beach. I had some sick long exposures that I took near the water and I'll throw those in. But that's the end of day one. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Save me from myself.
5 o'clock, 5:02. We about to head up.
I just need your help. I just need your help. But I'm getting stronger. When you're by my side, I feel like there's a way. Don't you say goodbye.
I'm kind of scared. I don't like heights.
Stay far away.
So an alarm is currently going off. Currently sitting at 40,000 ISO. It's definitely brightening up.
Stay far away. Save me from myself.
Let me ask you guys, what is worse? Temporary fear
I just need your
or a lifetime of regret?
Girl, I'm getting strong. When you're by my side, I feel like
We made it to the top. Let's go. That was so sick. Let's go. Mission successful. Well, if you liked, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, of course. Follow all of the boys on Instagram, and enjoy this nice little outro of all the pictures that we got. Boom, boom,
And I think
boom.
I got one. Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, yeah, I got one.
Yeah, the one thing my mom said was be smart, be safe. And I don't know if we're really doing any of those things, so Mom, if you're watching, I'm sorry. I apologize. We're being semi-safe here. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.